Which planet is closest to Earth? Answer Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet to Earth and to every other planet in the solar system. Mercury does not have any moons or rings. Mercury is the smallest planet. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. Your weight on Mercury would be 38% of your weight on Earth. A solar day on the surface of Mercury lasts 176 Earth days. A year on Mercury takes 88 Earth days. Mercury may be seen as the evening star, near where the sun has set, or as morning star, near where the sun will rise. Ranji Trophy is associated with which game? Answer cricket. In which year did India become a member of UNA? In 1945. Dandiya is a popular dance of which state? Answer Gujarat. Who is the Prime Minister of Pakistan? Liaquat Ali Khan. In which field first received the Nobel Prize in India? Answer literature. Which instrument is used to measure earthquake? Seismograph. Who discovered how blood circulates? Answer William Harvey. Which vitamin is known as calciferol? Answer vitamin D. Who did the Gupta dynasty started? Chandragupta I. What is the chemical name of baking soda? Sodium hydrogen carbonate. What is the capital of Germany? Answer Berlin. Who is the Iron Man of India? Answer Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. When did First World War was started? In 28 July 1914 and it over in 11 November 1918. And Second World War was started in 1st September 1913 and end in 2 September 1945. Who wrote the book My Experiment with Truth? Answer Mahatma Gandhi. Kaziranga National Park is located in which state? Answer Assam. Article 280 is related to? Answer the President. A plus B is equal to 10 days and B plus C is equal to 15 days and A plus C is 20. Then find A plus B plus C is equal to? Answer. First we have to add A plus B and A plus C. A plus B plus A plus C is equal to 2A plus B plus C, that is 30. Again B plus C is 15. 2A plus 15 is equal to 30. 2A is equal to, we have to take opposite side, that is 2A is equal to 30 minus 15. 2A is equal to 15. A is equal to 15 by 2. A is equal to 7.5. Now we get A plus B plus C, that is 22.5. 21 question related to the chapter percentage. Here 20 number question figure the graph. The answer is, you have to find it. 23 number question is direction. 24 is related to the chapter of time and work. 25 shorts. 26 related to the chapter volume and area. 27 related to simple interest. 28 Planning Commission was replaced by Niti Aayog in which year? Answer on 1 January 2015. Ghumura is a folk dance of which state? Odisha. Who among the following is the 21st Lieutenant Governor of Delhi? Sri Anil Baijal. The Kedarnath temple was built by? Answer Adi Shankaracharya. Godavari river originates from which state? Answer Maharashtra. What is Sri Lanka's largest city? Answer Colombo. Who is known as Grand Old Man of India? Answer Dadabhai Naroji. Who is the CEO of Niti Aayog? Answer Sri Amitabh Kant. When was the Battle of Buxar fought? Answer 22 October 1764.